So, hi. In this video I'm gonna do something a bit different. This is gonna be a tutorial. So this is basically gonna be a tutorial on randomly generating parts or something like maps that you have already made. So we're gonna make 5 parts, which are just gonna be examples. And then we're each gonna color them a different color. So this can be yellow. I'm just gonna name them to be sure that nothing bad happens. Like there's an error in the code because there are multiple parts with the same name. I just got a very heavy accent for some reason. The code. So now we have these. We make a folder in server storage that we call maps. We move them all in here. Yeah, you could of course make a whole map, but right now I just have these as a placeholder. And now because it's in server storage, you have to use a server script so it can communicate with the server. First we get the folder, the local maps is equal to game server storage dot maps. And now we say while, and I'm just gonna make a like instant wait do. Now firstly what we're gonna do, no I don't want that, is we're gonna say local map num is equal to math dot random 1 to 5, because there are 5 maps in the map folder. So now we've done that, we make a for loop. So for I comma maps. It's gonna loop through this folder in maps get children. So now we'll loop through all the children, and to make sure we'll just print I comma map. That's not the one. I comma map. You see? We just scroll up. 1 yellow, 2 pink, 3 red, 4 blue, 5 green. So now what we're gonna do is if I, so basically where it is, like you see 1 is yellow, so if that's equal to map num. So basically if the place we're at in the loop is equal to the random number selected, then we will local map local new map is equal to map dot, so now we clone it so we have infinite amount of them. Then we set its parent to the workspace so we can see it, and then it doesn't have to be a map, so we can also do it with, let's say, or let's just check if it works. Now every second, you see, it spawns these. But what if you don't want it to be maps? What if you say it's like trees that randomly generate into your survival game? Well, what we'll do is just a new map dot anchor firstly is equal to true, just so they don't keep falling. And then we'll say new map dot and new map pivot to. This basically says it moves to a specific location. Also, now we need to get the player. So I kind of forgot this, but it's game dot players dot player added. And this is basically how you get the player and a server script. Player. We just move this end down here. Now we say, now we also need to get the character, so we say player dot character added. So now when the character gets added, we call that and get the character. And then we'll also get an, and okay, I just gotta sort this out. And then we need to see character, we'll do wait for child humanoid root part. And actually, if I just comment this out. If you want to see what the humanoid root part is, we'll check out character. And then here we have humanoid root part. You can't see it. Oh, that's sad. But it's basically like a center part that keeps us like... That's kind of the body's middle part, basically. Now we uncomment it. So, humanoid root part dot position plus vector 3 dot new. So now we make it so it's not just on top of it, because or else it would be that's a bug. Then we do local pos num x. This is basically the x position. Be math dot random. Let's say it's been a radius of 100 blocks each side. So we say minus 50, comma 50, just so it can spawn on both sides of the player. Now do the same with local pos num c, because we don't want to change the y because that's height. Math dot random minus 50 to 50. So now we'll say that the x is equal pos num x, the y is 0, and the c is equal to the pos num c. Now what should happen is, let me just say c frame. Like that. Okay, we just have to change it to c frame. Now I can see wherever we walk, it spawns blocks in a 50 block radius around us. As if we need to move them down a bit, actually. You just have to change the position to c frame. What, minus 2? That's too much. They moved on the map. Yeah, see? Wait, what? It seems they're spawning. But the height... Oh, it's because... It's the player's position. It's the humanoid root part's position. Oh, that's why. So we'll just do minus 3. So when the player stands here, they're gonna spawn a bit higher, but that's fine. Now we go here, they're gonna spawn in the floor. Good. Oh my god, Windows security. But now we see we have a random amount of parts with a random color that spawn in a 50 block or 100 block radius of where we spawn. Looking at this with 2 players, it seems you would probably have to make some sort of limit to how many there could be there. And also maybe, yeah. But good luck with that. That's your homework to try to solve it, and if you do, put it down in the comments for other people to get help. This could also be a very fun like obby idea, like obby, but the entire obby randomly generates. That could be kind of cool. And look at how high I've gotten and how many there are. Let me just look in the workspace and hold. It would probably be a good idea to make a folder for these that they put them in. So new parent workspace dot folder. And then we're just gonna add a folder. So now when we start the game, they should all go in inside this folder. Yep. Oh, there are already so many. But yeah, it seems it works. Now once again, see ya.